this online street, you can make money online. The only thing you need is the right tutorial, the right guideline to make money, and the tutorial that best works for you. Tutorial A might not work for Mr. A. Tutorial A might not work for Mr. B, and tutorial B might not work for Mr. A. So what it means is that you have to find what works for you online and do it. It is what works for you. Before you can attain that, you can do a whole lot of things online, but then again, I tell you that making money online is not as hard as people think. Well, sometimes you can say it's somehow, but then again, if you're online, you have to have a skill, you have to have something to offer. Now I've realized that one of the easiest things to do online is to offer services, things you can offer online and make money. Yes, the things you can offer online and make money as a freelancer. Now the first thing I'll be emphasizing on is how you can become a freelancer. Well, you can become a freelancer by signing up on either Fiverr or Upwork, which is quite simple. The next thing I'll be talking about is after you sign up on Upwork, I would like you to go on canva.com. Canva.com, you can play around canva.com, create designs, simple designs, complex ones, use their templates, maneuver it anyhow you like it. You understand? Now, after you've signed up on the Upwork or the Fiverr, you can put up your work on those websites as gigs. You put up your work on those websites as gig and make money. There are people making thousands of money on Upwork and Fiverr, which also includes Nigerians. Not only Nigerians, it includes a whole lot of Africans making money on Upwork and Fiverr. What you just need to do is maybe practice and rehearse one or two things, and then you are up. And if you want an advanced thing, you can go and learn maybe a skill or something like that. But if you don't have it, it's also good. The only thing is you might not earn as much as someone with an advanced skill, but the fact still remains that you will still earn online and you still withdraw the money online. You understand? So another thing I think you can do is Amazon KDP. This is typically, I'm just giving you probably a sketch of how you can make money online. Amazon KDP, I've said it times without number, you can use Chat GPT. Now, for those of you saying Chat GPT is not working, you can use GPT-3. GPT-3. I'll be creating a video review of that as well. It is also a website that can help you to, create business ideas, thumbnails, website ideas, stories ideas, a whole lot of things that can help you write stories and others as well. You understand? And you can also start a blog. You can go on Blogger and sign up. You can go on Blogger and sign up. If you sign up on Blogger, Blogger is free. Blogger is free. Go to GPT-3, GPT-3, and you can ask for trending topics in the niche, in your choosing niche. A niche is probably what you've choosing to write about. If probably I've chosen to write about weight loss, you can go and ask GPT-3. That's if you can access Chat GPT. What are the trending topics under weight loss? Please create a routine of how I will lose weight using GPT-3. Create weekly routine of how you can lose weight with keto diet. You understand? If you are in the finance niche, you can do probably a YouTube video. Yes, create a channel on YouTube and start a YouTube video. If you don't want to show your face or you're shy about showing your face, you can do maybe top richest people in Nigeria, top richest people in Africa, top most beautiful people, top ugliest people, top 5, top 10, top 15. You can do those kind of videos. You understand? Or you do those weight loss niche video that they don't show their faces, but they tell you something about something that will help you lose weight. Maybe they want to talk about slimming tea now. No, not slimming tea. I think they most at times they talk about natural herbs. Yes. Maybe honey or ginger and lime. They'll tell you how to mix it. Now what they do is they only show us images, and they'll tell you, okay, this and this, you can use this as a write-up or something like that. You understand? So you can create a YouTube channel or a blog. You see these two things. These two things. It is not an instant money, whatever, but while you are waiting for them to blow, maybe like for like 3 6 months, while you are waiting for them, you can easily sign up on Fiverr. On Fiverr, you can make as much as you want. You can create as much gigs as you want. I do tell people, if you're on Fiverr, the only thing I will tell you is make sure you're creating gigs. You understand? You can probably create a gig about how to write an article, that you can write an article. You can create a gig that you can remove the a background image. You can create a gig that you can create a logo using Canva. You can create a gig about, okay, I can create an invitation card. I can create a Facebook page. I can handle your social media. You understand? On Fiverr. So while you're waiting for probably to get to maybe a threshold on YouTube, or to meet the blog requirement of monetization, you can do all those ones in the meantime. You understand? And if you don't want to do that one, if you are good with tech or you're good with online whatever, you can go into dollar arbitrage. You understand? There are a lot of sites about that. You can browse about it. I'm not much into that one. You understand? I'm not much into that one. Dollar arbitrage. Like, you sell dollar, you buy dollar and sell dollar, and you keep your profit. You understand? You buy it, sell it, keep your profit. I know there are a lot of YouTube videos about that, which I know if it is not making money, people will not be wasting their time creating a lot of videos about it. You understand? And the reason is because those creating videos about it that I've seen, they probably have 100,000 subscribers or more, and I know that they will not be willing to reach those subscribers. So please look for what works for you, because what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. Don't just come out here and say, oh no, I've tried and it's not working for me. If this one doesn't work for you, the other one can work for you. If you're on Fiverr and you're able to create 50 gigs on removing background, either using remove.bg or retoucher, you can use any of them. Remove.bg or retoucher. If you're able to create like 50 gigs on Fiverr about what you do, definitely a client will come your way. I give you a month gone. I give you a month. If you keep creating your gigs consistently, a client will come your way. You understand? A client will come your way. That is just one thing I know. And with God, I believe a lot of things are possible on this online platform. You understand? So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.